Recently, I made a purchase through Recon Medical, and I got two of these lightweight packs to help round out some of my bags, my go bag, my car kit, and my IFAK that goes on my battle belt. Each one of these was about 23 bucks. Recon Medical has quite a few neat little things added to this, but mainly I bought this for the tourniquet because of the price. Their Gen 3 tourniquet is pretty awesome. Not going to get into that right now, but yeah, it's got a tourniquet, it's got some shears, which I cut a penny with. It's got a 4-inch Israeli bandage, compressed gauze, and a waterproof pen, and then an emergency blanket. So, whenever I got it, I bought two of them, and out of the two of them, I opened it up just to double check, and one of my packs of gauze came like this. And if you notice something, it's not sterile because it's not sealed anymore. It got punctured somehow in the inside the sealed package. So I sent an email to Recon Medical. I have them added on Facebook as well, and I had messaged someone on Facebook. And what did they do? I told them I took a picture of my gauze, and I said I will be willing to take pictures to send this to you just to get a replacement. Instead of them just sending me the gauze, they went ahead and sent me an entire new pack. They didn't even question it, didn't ask for pictures. They were very kind and responsive. So I just wanted to give a little shout out to Recon Medical for doing this. I definitely don't expect to have a whole new kit mailed to me. All I really needed was the gauze, and I would have gladly paid for another one, but they were cool enough to just send me another one. So I wanted to show that Recon Medical is doing the right things. Check them out. They do have their stuff is on Amazon right now, so you can get Prime shipping, I believe, and you can order directly through them at Recon Medical's website. So yeah, so there it is. If you'd like to give them a shout out or want to check out their stuff, go ahead and check them out online. I've had a great experience, and I'd highly recommend them. Thanks.